Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today I came with a very sizzling recipe. Fish Sizzlers. This recipe includes fish, lots of veggies and some french fries. This is super easy to make and all the ingredient list is given in the description box. Please check it out. Let's start by marinating the fish. Here I have used boneless fish and I have cut that into cubes. Now add in some tomato sauce, red chili sauce, some soy sauce, and some chopped garlic, and sprinkle some salt and mix it really well. Now you have to keep this aside for marination for at least 30 minutes. And before we start cooking, we need to heat up the iron sizzling plate. Now heat some oil in a pan. Add some chopped garlic, some red chili flakes, some pepper powder, and add in all the veggies. And before adding it, I have blanched all the vegetables so that it'll be very easy for cooking. And for the veggies, here I have used some carrots, beans, green peas and some broccoli. You can always add vegetables according to your choice. Sprinkle some salt. Once you're done sauteing it, please keep it aside. And into the same pan, add in some more oil, garlic chopped, chopped ginger, and finely chopped onions. Saute it until it turns translucent. I'm saving half of these sauteed onions to make the sauce. Add some red chili flakes followed by the marinated fish. Cook the fish on a medium flame till it turns slightly golden brown shades. Now take that into a plate and we're gonna prepare the sauce in the same pan. Now for the sauce, add in some more oil. Now add in the sauteed onions. Just slightly heat it up. Add in some chili flakes, tomato sauce, soy sauce, red chili sauce, and mix it. Add some dash of water, some salt, mix it and boil the sauce till it becomes thick. Everything is ready. Now let's assemble the sizzlers. This is the most interesting part. Now place the super hot iron plate on the wooden base and place a cabbage leaf and serve the fish on top of the cabbage leaf so that it will not stick to the iron plate. Add a lot of sauteed veggies and some french fries. This is one of the main ingredients in sizzlers, so don't skip it. Add some spring onion. Let's pour in the sauce. The moment sauce touches the iron plate, the sizzling starts. Enjoy the beautiful sizzling sound with the smoke. Our very tasty fish sizzlers is ready. The fish is cooked perfectly and it tastes really juicy. Perfectly sauteed vegetables with crispy French fries. Oh, that's a complete meal. You can make these sizzlers very easily at home and serve this to the special guests. So definitely try this recipe and send us a picture of your creation and share it on our Facebook page. You can always replace fish with chicken or paneer. So definitely try this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to click the bell icon. Watch more interesting and unique videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.